Imagine a single substance that could help you lose weight, clear your acne, relax your airways, and balance your blood sugar, all at the same time. It sounds like snake oil, right? But what if I told you this remedy has over 1,500 peer-reviewed studies backing it up? We are talking about Nigella Sativa, commonly known as black seed oil. Ancient history called it the cure for everything but death. Today, modern science is calling it one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory agents on Earth. In this video, we are doing a full body scan. We will cover the latest research on what this oil does to your waistline, your lungs, your skin, and even your brain. Let's dive in. To understand why this oil works on so many different problems, you have to understand its active compound, Thymoquinone. Most supplements work on just one pathway. Thymoquinone is an immunomodulator. This means it doesn't just boost your immune system, which can sometimes be bad if you have autoimmune issues. It balances it. Research published in the journal International Immunopharmacology shows that black seed oil increases the activity of macrophages, the Pac-Man cells that eat up viruses and bacteria, while simultaneously lowering the chemicals that cause chronic inflammation. It is a rare double-edged sword, aggressive against invaders, but calming to your own tissues. Now let's talk about the benefit everyone wants to know about. Weight loss. Can an oil really help you burn fat? According to a systematic review of 11 clinical trials, the answer is yes. The data shows that supplementing with black seed oil significantly reduced body mass index and waist circumference compared to placebos. How? It appears to regulate appetite and improve glucose metabolism. By stabilizing your blood sugar, it stops those massive insulin spikes that tell your body to store fat. It is not a magic pill. You cannot eat pizza all day and take a spoon of oil. But as a tool to support a healthy diet, the science is incredibly promising. But the benefits aren't just internal. They are external, too. If you struggle with acne, psoriasis, or eczema, listen up. Black seed oil is a dermatological powerhouse. Because it is powerfully antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, studies have found it to be as effective as some prescription topical creams for reducing acne severity, without the harsh side effects. And for hair, it is often used in thinning hair treatments. It contains Nigellone, which acts as a natural antihistamine. Since hair loss is often linked to inflammation of the hair follicle, massaging this oil into the scalp can help soothe the scalp and support stronger, thicker growth. Speaking of antihistamines, let's look at your lungs. This is one of the oldest traditional uses for black seed oil, and modern science confirms it. It acts as a bronchodilator. This means it helps relax the muscles in your airways. A study on asthmatic patients showed that those taking black seed oil had significant improvements in pulmonary function and a reduction in wheezing symptoms. Whether you suffer from seasonal allergies or mild asthma, this oil helps calm the overactive immune response that closes up your throat and nose. Now, we have to tread carefully here, but we must mention the research regarding cellular mutations and abnormal cells. While we cannot say it cures cancer, we can look at what the lab studies tell us. Research has shown that thymoquinone can trigger something called apoptosis in abnormal cells. Apoptosis is programmed cell death. It is the body's way of telling a damaged or mutating cell to self-destruct before it spreads. While we are waiting for more human clinical trials, the potential for black seed oil to support your body's natural defense against cellular mutation is one of the most exciting areas of medical research today. So, how do you get these benefits? You need to take the right amount, and you need to survive the taste. Black seed oil is potent. It tastes like spicy motor oil. Do not say I didn't warn you. The standard dosage seen in most studies is between 1 to 2 grams per day. That is roughly half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. To mask the taste, the best method is to mix it with raw honey. The honey not only hides the flavor but acts as a carrier to help absorption. If you truly cannot handle the liquid, soft gel capsules are a great alternative. From your waistline to your lungs to your skin, black seed oil is nature's multi-tool. But remember, because it lowers blood sugar and blood pressure effectively, if you are on medication, you must consult your doctor before starting this, or your levels could drop too low. Safety is key. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button. We are releasing a video next on gut health that you won't want to miss. See you in the next one.